Hello and welcome. This is your compression and performance improvement of your UI5 application. In this particular section of UI5 2018 update and webIDE advanced and professional, what we are going to do is we are going to go through some of the existing toolkit which you might not have heard about to improve the efficiency of your UI5 application. We will be going a little deeper. We will see how this tool can be utilized and how you can automate a lot of your deployment activities as well with these plugins which are already available. We'll face and encounter a lot of challenges which we will come through and understand what was the issue. After you have gone through this particular section, you will be having a good understanding of gulp plugin, which is used to compress UI5 application, and able to understand how to deploy a compressed version of your application to production with the minification, uglification. You can do also testing or automation testing with this framework. This is a pretty powerful framework, and we will be focusing our attention to Open UI5 version of it. And also I would suggest some of the speed improvement part with your application development when it comes to making your application, even SAP UI5 application or Open UI5 application, async in nature. So I will highly recommend this course if you want to understand how to make your customer happy by having less load time and good performance. I hope that this course will really give you a good base to create applications which customer love to refresh and not worrying about the load time. So let's catch up in this course and learn how to compress your application to increase performance, and also how to use the modern libraries present to you to automate the task runner. My name is Ajay Naik, and learn simple.